Yeah, man, so fly from you know say Snapchat people are rate food from 1 to 10. So, let's see you tuned in video. Remember, subscribe to the channel. What's good, so fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, we are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father and make we lift up the world, yeah.
Yes, so fly fam, we get right in the video.
Check this.
So we just check the rate, you know, so we are stroll through one thing, isn't it?
People gonna get an idiot, that's so bad. Yeah, try again. Comment wow on the document. Rate me 1 to 10. He gave me an 8. Hello? Alright. What you would rate the dish? Good day. Yeah. Status would I rate it from 1 to 10? Must say the dish and my status, what you would I rate it from 1 to 10?
Burning in my soul. Burning in my soul. Show it. Don't break it.
Yeah, people still get another 10.
Show it. Don't play with it.
tell my own that give me underrate my fish. Because she give me an grade of 10. Get an idiot. So we have, I'm not going to tell you one of the show church again. Our festival bombing. Church festival bombing. And we also
Don't break it.
fish. We don't make the explanation.
Show it. Don't play with it. Forevermore.
Wow.
Show it.
Yeah, people get another thing.
Don't break it.
Yeah, not Jamaica, but yeah, the tongues where they wanna do tongues or whatever it is. So we have to say tongues.
Show it.
Basically, it means thank you, brother. Yeah. Yeah, man, I know what I need. People see, I see what she say, I know. Because I'm going to get free taste it. Okay? Next time. Next time for sure. Yeah, this is another snap, whatever. I don't know. What the? What this man I say? I don't know you. That's gay. What the? What? Is a different nigga? This I say, oh, I don't know you. That's gay. Brother, you fishy, brother. What's gay?
Okay, boy, you're rate money.
If you rate somebody food, bruh. If you rate someone food. Are you gay, brother? You gay as can't even say that for my channel, brother. You gay as F. Seriously, bruh? Jano, Jaja. You go up on YouTube, youth. You damn. Oh, can't say that either. Okay? You go up on YouTube, youth. You're dead. Why youth are mad? Oh, look at that youth are seven. Me tell this man if you rate the food. You see me? Rate. Put up a food on Snapchat. Rate it, cause guess what? It gone on YouTube. The man say, I don't know you, that's gay. If you rate food, this nigga gone somewhere. Nigga, are you gay? I went there. I make the crowd see him. I highlight him. And then make you find a photo with him. Call him out. When name champ. Oh. Same up some YouTube something too. You never go there. This man has same up easy appetizer recipe. And this man. We are coming for this man thing. Cause this a nigga yeah. But we got another 10. Remember, you can rate it too. With a rate my video from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, just yeah, comment and remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Yeah, man. Remember, always remember, subscribe. You see me? True. Thank you. Can you cook? What's that? Yes,
Nine-ish, 9.5.
9.5.
Mm-hmm.
This was good, man.
No.
I got 12.
And the
Every
pan.
jamming day and night.
Oh God. In the summer.
When I get no more rated, I check how much people view the thing, so. Just, check it. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Yeah. Yeah. You. Oh, this shit is so sharp. Yeah, people, that's out there. Oh, shit is so sharp, man. Alright.
Grab it, man.
Ooh.
The picture will be up in the
What would you rate my food from 1 to 10? 1 on my status. On my status. Let's try calling. My phone got blank.